Hey everybody. Today I'm gonna be going over a gun that everybody should probably have in their arsenal, especially around these times. All this looting and shit. It's fucking absurd, but whatever. um, this is a Mossberg 590 nine shot. I'm gonna just go over some mods I did to it, and some basic pros and cons. So starting off, actually came with a pistol grip, and I didn't like that at all. So I took that shit off, and I got this ATI grip stock combo. I got it off of Amazon for like $100. Instantly loved it. Um, Adjustable stock, so instantly loved it. That was the very first mod I did. Um, trying to think what mod did I do next? I think I got this heat shield. It was actually saved. It saved my hand a couple of times because a couple of times when I went to the range, I actually did by accident. I grabbed it by the barrel right after I got finished shooting it. So it saved me from some first degree burns. So that was a good idea. Sling, which can hold a couple more shells. I'm trying to think where I got this at. I think I got it off Amazon. I believe. Maybe not. I might have got it at a gun show. Actually, another mod that I have, but it's not on here, is my side saddle, and that holds like 5 extra shells. Actually, it came off one time. I just never got around to putting it back on. So with all the slots full and the tube full, it can hold, it's around 30 shells altogether. So that's a lot. Actually, that's a lot for a shotgun to be walking around with 30 shells. What else? Actually, this came with I don't know if you can see, breacher barrel, which is cool. It's good for poking people. It's the rage is like these are really sharp if you press this into somebody. But what else mod did it come with? I think that was all the mods that I actually did. I haven't took this gun out in a while. It's nice to have this little handle right here, so your hand doesn't go forward, and you shoot it off. So it keeps your hand on the charging handle. And this is a American Cruiser. You can tell by the flag right here. All the 590s are 9-shot. So, but as instantly when I grabbed this gun, I loved it, and I haven't had any problems with it. I haven't shot a lot actually, but it's durable. When I did shoot it, I let it rip. So, but I think everybody should have a basic pump shotgun. Pumps are a lot better than automatics, just because, semi-automatics, just because they're just more reliable. And one other reason why I got the Mossberg was because the forks in here, actually there's two. Let's see if I can. Can't really see it, but there are actually 2 forks in here that would grab the bottom of the shell to help it eject it. So I believe on the Remington it has 1, so that would inhibit you from like using certain ammo. Like pretty much these shells in the Remington, sometimes they would probably get stuck. That's pretty much one reason why I got a Mossberg, because it had those 2 ejection forks. And another reason why is because it has the safety on top. I don't know why, but it's more comfortable for me to have my thumb on the safety up top. The Remington has the safety on the trigger. I forget how it's set up, but for some reason you have to take your hand off your comfortable spot to put it back on safety. So those are pretty much reasons why I got the Mossberg, other than it was non-shot. And pretty much those are the only two reasons that separate this and a Remington, I believe. Other than that, they're pretty much the same gun. Yeah, so this is probably, I think this is the second gun I got. I ended up getting this because I went to buy my car, and I ended up not getting the car that day, so I was a little upset. So I just went and bought this to make me happy. But yeah, everybody definitely needs a pump. Just easy, just for home defense, because multiple people breaking your house. I mean, a pistol is cool, but if you got that spread, you taking out multiple targets at one time. So, and you pump, and pumps are just more reliable. Semi-autos are cool, but they're finicky. It's a lot going on in here, and pumps are more simplistic, so they're more durable, and they're more reliable, and they're less expensive actually, and they're less expensive to fix. So yeah. What else? I think that was it. What else did I think I wanted to do something else, but I ended up not doing it. I'm trying to remember. I think something with the trigger, something like that, but I ended up not doing it. Actually, I gotta remember to put the side shadow back on. Hopefully I won't need this anytime soon, but you never know with motherfuckers today. So, but that's my little short review on the Mossberg 590. Oh well, I bought this for $380 at my local gun store at the time. They've closed, but yeah, $380 for a non-shot. That's a very good price. I think I made out good in that regard. But yeah, that's my review on the Mossberg 590, and I'll see you guys later. Deuces.